Hi guys, hope you are all well. Today I've got for you amazing makeup mirror. Looks like that. Mine is black, but also on the website you can find a white one and the rose gold, I think. So this is when it's all closed. Of course there is like stand which looks like that. Also there is cable, USB cable. This is how you can turn it on, and also you can put the battery, and inside looks like this. So of course there is protection here like that, yeah, the lights are here. I think it's amazing just because here you've got classic mirror and here you've got with zoom. So I'm not sure, but I think like this one will be ×2, ×4, ×6, and ta-da! Here is also zoom ×10, so it's amazing. I mean, it's great for, I don't know, for people who are blind like me, for example. It's amazing. Also you have, like, you see something like that on the back, so you can put it wherever you like on your mirror, wherever you like, and that will stay in place. I think it's an amazing idea. Everything was packaged really well. Here you've got also whole instruction how to, you know, use it. Everything is here. I tried it and everything is fine with these lights, and they are quite good. I mean, quite, you know, strong lights. So I think it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Here you've got button how to turn it on, off, and also here if you want to turn it on and off. Perfect mirror, which I will say it's pro. I've got something like that, but that one is small one, and that one, as you can see, it's bigger and more professional, so for professional makeup. Looks great. I think it's fantastic. Look how cute. Amazing. Highly recommend that. Thanks for watching.